In this video we are going to show you guys how to install VMware Horizon to connect to our school. We are going to be using a test account for this purpose, so let's do it. The first thing that we have to do is go to one of our browsers. In this case I'm going to use Microsoft Edge. In the bar we will type the next address, pdi.esmonline.org. We have two options here. With the first option we can run directly Horizon from a web-based application. We'll check that one first. So here is straightforward, right? We just put our credentials and we can make it work. Let me show you how we. So this is the desktops that we are assigned. In the case of the most of the teachers will be just the teacher pool, uh, but and you double click here and you will open a computer, but I want to show you how to install this software if you are like in your house computer. So again we'll go to bdi.esmonline.org and we choose the option install the VMware Horizon Client. um, there is like multiple versions of this software. Like the most common ones will be like the Mac version and the Windows version. So in this case we are in a Windows machine, so we go to the downloads. um, you don't have to worry about the version, select the one that is by default and just download it and save the file. And we can run the installer. Just go with the default installation, just agree and installed. It will take like no more than 2 minutes installing this software, and it will ask you to restart the machine after it's done. We restart now the computer. Now we will see our like Horizon icon in our desktop. So we just double click there and we already um, have a or server here. Most of the times, like we just after the installation, you just have like the plus sign to add a server. So you just double click there and you put our address, that is bdi.esmonline.org, and you will click connect and accept the disclaimer, and you will put your credentials here. Oh, of course, I put the wrong password. So again, this is the desktops that you have allowed. I'm going to go for the teacher one, that is the most common one. This is it's asking you if you want to share between your desktop and like the VDI session. You can click allowed here. And let me show you a couple things now that we are here. So basically that will be a full desktop inside of our environment. You have all the apps that you will use in the school. You have um, smart notebook, all these apps that you guys use. Everything is installed and ready. And also here you will have your H drive. Let me move this window, and you have your H drive here, so you can access your files that you have saved. Also, you can connect USB devices here. So if you have a USB drive, you just connect here and it will appear here where it says connect USB device. Okay, showing me the files that I have in my H drive. And um, one once that you guys are done with your work, you just can close these windows, and for the next time you just disconnect the session, or you also can log off and it will return here. Don't forget to disconnect after the whole client. And that's it. That's how you use the VMware client to access our network.